Hello all, welcome to day 6 with English Mirror. Today for the build habit session, I'll be giving you a task. What you have to do, you have to learn at least 4 to 6 words, that is new words that you use daily in your conversations. And what you have to do, you have to find out those words. You can refer any of the books or any articles or any journals or even the newspapers, and you have to list it in a notebook or a paper, and you have to write the meanings of those words and convert it into sentences or include those words into sentences, and make a practice of reading these new words daily so that you will get a good vocabulary book. Hope it's clear. Don't miss this out. You can keep this particular book for any references with full of words. The book will be full of words. Hope it is clear. Do this so you can build another new habit. So in day 6, I'll be giving another set of words for you. First word is responsible, which is an adjective, and the meaning of the word is able to make good decisions and take care of things. That is, for example, if I am telling that boy is a responsible family man, whenever we are telling that, we can imagine that, yeah, that boy takes care of all the necessary things of the family, always involves in all family things, so that is his responsibility. And examples are, she is a responsible leader who makes wise decisions. We are talking about, or the sentence is talking about a girl or a lady, and what is shown there, her responsible attitude. She's a very responsible leader, and she develops or she makes very wise decisions. The next example is, it's important to be responsible when taking tasks at work. What is given here, a person should be very responsible when committing to some work in office or in any place. Whenever committing some work, you have to be responsible at its peak. And the next word is patient. Patient, that means able to wait without frustration. Patient means, that is not the doctor patient, it is the adjective form patient, that is a behavior. And the similar words are calm, tolerant, understanding. Now look at the examples. He was patient with the children while they played. He was patient, that is, what is the context? Some children are playing there, and one man is sitting beside the children, and the children are so naughty. So this sir will also, or the teacher will also get angry, no, but no, the teacher is very patient and takes care of all the necessary things needed for the babies. So that is the teacher's patient attitude. See the example, he was patient with the children while they played. And the next one is, being patient can help you handle stressful situations more easily. So if we are patient, we won't react to the stressful thing or stressful incidents. We'll sit or keep silence. And the next one is ambitious. Ambitious, that means having a strong desire to achieve success. Ambitious means, sometimes we will tell, he was an ambitious boy. He was an ambitious boy, or he was a very good performer, and he was very ambitious in his life. That's how we'll tell. What is it? Ambitious means we are thinking about the future, that is, this has to be done, this is the thing, that is the thing, like that. Hope it's clear. And the next word is hardworking. Hardworking, that means we are doing so much of effort, putting in a lot of effort to achieve something. We are doing honestly, sincerely for something, and we are like doing so much for someone or something, then we can tell we are hardworking. And the examples are, she is a hardworking employee who always meets deadlines. She is like talking about a lady, telling that that lady is very hardworking, works hard, so that she is meeting all the targets or the deadlines. Next example, hardworking students often achieve the best results. Yeah, my personal opinion is yes, of course. Hardworking, if they are in a systematic way of studies, they'll obviously, and hardworking is also their companion, they'll all obviously win in the match. Or match means win in the exam. That is what I meant by match, just like funny thing. they'll obviously get good scores in the marks. And the next one is flexible. Next word is flexible, that is willing to change or adapt. It is willing to change or adapt. For example, he is flexible with his schedule and can meet at any time. He is flexible, he is okay to meet at any time because he is flexible most of the time, or he is flexible in his work. Then the next example is a flexible attitude can help you overcome challenges. A flexible attitude, that is, if it is like if we are demanding that I want to go by car, and if car is not there, we should be ready to go by bus. That is our flexible attitude. Or if we are like standing, like we should not get into a bus, we should travel only by car. That is unnecessary thought, no. That will always disturbs your mind and your mind will go wrong. So we have to be flexible in our life. And a flexible attitude can help you overcome challenges. Flexible mind will, or flexible attitude will help you to overcome challenges. If you are flexible, no stress can dominate our nature or behavior or attitude, anything. So the next and last word for you today is honest. Everybody will pronounce like honest. No, it is not honest, it is honest. Honest. Their H is silent. The next, honest, Honest, right? Honest. H is silent, and the rest of the words we have put there and pronouncing that. What is the meaning? Truthful and sincere. And the similar words are truthful, sincere, trustworthy. And examples include, it's important to be honest in all your relationships. In all relationships, you have to be very much sincere or very much honest. She is honest about her strengths and weaknesses. She is honest about her strengths and weaknesses. She is okay, or she knows what are her strengths and what are her weaknesses. That is the words for you. What you have to do is you have to construct sentences using all the words given here and send it to your personal trainer and get it corrected. Now the vocabulary activity is here for you. Here are some words, like 6 words are listed here. You can construct sentences using each of the words or each of the uh, words listed here, and you can send it to your personal trainer as an audio as well as a uh, written format, or you should write first and then record it and send it to your personal trainer and get it corrected. Hope it is clear for you. Now here is day 6's calling activity, and the topic is my favorite food. My favorite food. You can describe about your favorite dish and how it is prepared. That is, you can, first of all, you can know the convenient time of your trainer and you can connect it with your trainer that time. You can talk at least for 5 minutes. And what you have to talk today, you have to talk about your favorite food. Today you have to talk about your favorite food. You can include what is the appearance or what is the presentation of the food, what is the name of the food or how it is prepared. All those things you can tell it to a trainer. And you can also share any food you enjoy during special occasions, like sometimes somewhere we'll be going and we'll be tasting some thing from there, and that will be memorable in our taste buds, no. So you can tell about that also to your trainer. Talk at least for 5 minutes. Hope it's clear for you.